Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I changed the wheels. I swapped out the wheels. It's crazy. I got the Dodge Viper slash SRT 10 wheels on my Charger. I sold the Hellcats and I got these bad boys. These are sick. I love these a lot. I love these way more than the Hellcats. To me, they look a little bit better. The Hellcats look kind of spiderwebby to me, but these are a little more flat, sexy. You'll see it. You'll see it. I'll show you right now. All right, man. Check these out. The SRT 10 slash Viper reps looking mean and lean. Shout out to my boy Zach Krell. Instagram handle at It's Krell though. It should be right here on the screen for hooking me up with the steels on this rims. And Manny, I'll put his Instagram handle up here as well on the screen for buying the Hellcat rims. But yeah, I gotta rewrap this trunk one day, guys. I gotta do it a different style. And yeah, like I said, man, these rims look freaking sick, right? Am I right? What do you guys think? But yeah, also one of these days I gotta drop the rear down a little bit more. Might even drop the front down a little bit more. I'm not sure, but I know for sure the rear gotta go down about 2 inches. And maybe I'll drop the front about another inch. I kind of want the fenders to be even with the leveled with the wheels. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about these rims, man. I freaking love them. I don't think I'm gonna swap these out for a long time. Peace. Well, I'm sorry.
Once every month. We don't have to plan it, everybody just shows up. I'll give you guys more information on that group. For the new guys that are coming in, we do have our own exclusive Muscle Parts Hawaii Facebook group.
Okay. Check it out.
What's going on, everybody? We're on our way to go pick up the wheels right now. The Viper replicas, 20 by 10 and a half. I'm gonna put that on maybe tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, just sit back and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Peace. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's currently the next morning, so yeah, I'm gonna take the wheels out of the car. Probably gonna clean it. I didn't see how dirty it was gonna be on the inside of the wheels, so yeah, I might end up cleaning those and then putting them on. So yeah, let's get to that, taking them out and stuff. Here it is, Viper reps, fixing the Hellcats. Let's get it. All right, so we got 2 off, 2 on. Do the front. I'll let the rears to go. Yeah, I'm still debating if I want the center Dodge caps or the plain ones on. How that? What's that? Oh, this right here? Oh. Oh, this? Yeah. I already got all 4 on. Front and back. I just gotta torque it. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, that's gonna conclude the video for today. I know my videos have been super short lately, but I'm gonna try and make longer videos in the upcoming future. It's Christmas time, guys. By the time this uploads, it should be about 2 more days to Christmas. And yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys. And let me know what you guys want for Christmas down in the comment section. I'm not saying I'm gonna get it for you. I just want to know what you guys want.
Hey, she already know we coming, man. Let's get it.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip.